new, that is for various purposes. Next, I will give example for all these things. So you know that this wicket, right? So earlier days we were the cricket people, they used to use this first one wicket. Later the that is designing in a different way. They used digital or LED wickets and pads. Okay, that is nothing but designing. So you have a model, you can design your own, but that should be having lot of applications. Next. So that is innovations. Innovation. I think you know this guy. Okay. Possibly not. Okay. This is Edward Jenner. We are all living together, now present day because of him. Because he only find or succeeded in vaccinations. Okay, Edward Jenner, because we got the Covishield and also Covaxin. That is nothing but vaccine, right? So vaccination is first started by this person. That is nothing but innovation. It started in 70 or in 80s only. So he is used. Not use more information or more science, but the what he used is now we are living based on his research. Next. So you know this corona, right? Next. So everybody they used to tell that I have taken Covishield, right? I have taken Covaxin. What exactly they contain? That is most important, right? So in the future, maybe you are all student, maybe your children, they may ask, okay, you have taken Covishield, what it contains, maybe they may ask, right? So they having retrovirus, that is exactly the inactivated adenovirus particles, along with the various the receptors as well as other autokinins, like that, the proteins they will have. So these exactly they are going to bind with the where exactly the coronavirus go to bind, that place they are going to bind, and these viruses they cannot be attached or they cannot be infected. So base there, that is Covaxin is different, Covishield is different. They are having different compositions. Next. So again there is a research and innovations. So it is very simple. So all 8 semester students, they have to go for the academic project. So they have to conduct a systemic investigation and study of materials to establish facts and reach new conclusions. So as you know that there are many people that they do research on one aspect, but every researcher they have deviations and also they have some variations, and also application oriented is maybe different. So don't think that so the other persons also they did on the one aspect. So if I do that, so what is the new thing like that? So here, so all research means search within the existing. Okay? That is most important. So research is nothing but search within the existing, and your topic or your research should be very innovative or deviation from the existing one. That is here the literature survey plays very important role. So if you do or dig out the literature in related to your project work, you can make your own objective very informatively or very the result oriented one. Next. So why we need to do research? That is most important, right? So there is a different types of the benefits are there by doing research to solve the problems. As you know that corona, right? So corona, we have faced a lot of problems. For that we have to find out the drugs. For that we need to do the research. And to solve the necessity. Necessity means that so there is a different types of the necessity things like a fridge, or there may be the vacuum filter, or there may be water filter, whatever the things are there. For what are the necessities are there, then we have to need to do research. And to achieve the goal, so you know that there are many people every year you are going to see that. So they are going to get a lot of awards like a What is the highest prestigious science award? Nobel. In India,
ರೋಹನ್
Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award.
ಇದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ
Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award. To get to achieve the goals like a Nobel or whatever it may be.
on 15
So to
minutes.
that also research is going to play very important role. And not only for all these things to get the degrees for the MSc or BE or MTech or PhD or MPhil. So these are going to help in finding the research. So the pictures is very simply showing that it is a finding of penicillin. You know that penicillin is a antibiotic, right? So unknowingly, so the culture in the one single culture or maybe in the vertebrate two fungi they grow, one fungi inhibited the growth of the other fungi. So the scientists they found out how or what it is going to inhibit the other fungi growth. So he took that chemical, the extracted what are the chemicals it is releasing to inhibit the other fungi. Then they find out the chemical name, that is penicillin. Next. So the publications. So what we can publish, that is most important. So publications, especially in all the researchers, even in BE also. So it is the publication is nothing but, so it is the final stage of research or chapter or objectives. So even you can publish one paper in one objective or there may be one chapter or there may be the final stage of the research also. And most of the scholars they publish the most detailed information on their outcomes and also the permanent record of research from their project work. And the publications always they would publish a new research or there may be application oriented the researchers. So new research means new findings or there may be the application findings means the research should have any one or two applications. And most of the people they used to tell that I published, they published like that, right? So the publishing the people they have a lot of responsibilities. So especially those who are going to publish, they should honest, they clear, accurate, complete and balanced. Okay. So if they want to publish, they should have all these characters. And many people they are going to if they publish the published papers they are also misleading and also they are going to publish only selective results and also if you read the papers they are going to give lot of conclusions. Okay, so should not do like that. So if you have a very good data then you can publish in a very honestly and you have to write a paper in a very clearly and accurate manner and complete and balanced way. Should not give any the false information. So not only the publisher having or the maybe scholars having responsibilities, so and also the publishing journals also having lot of responsibilities. If they publish the fake informations, that there also they are going to caught and the journal the name is going to bring down. Okay, that is they will also going to take care. Next. So how we can publish the papers? So that is most important. There is a lot of processes there in publications. So process of research you have to do your research. After research you have to write up the paper, that is preparation of the manuscript. After manuscript you have to submit the paper for Elsevier or Science or there may be Springer or Nature or there may be even IEEE journals. Okay, like that. So after submission they are going to give an assignment number for the submitted paper. Then they are going to give the decision whether it is suitable for publication or not. So if they reject, then again you have to rethink about the paper and you have to modify and you have to submit to the other journals. Next, if the decision is they are going to give the revisions or they may be the paper is suitable for publication with the minor corrections or major corrections, then you can correct it and submit and we can wait for the publications. This is how the process is going to go in the publications. Next. So how many types of the publications are there? Okay, self-publications, letter to the editor, newspaper or publication with a stock of writers, literary magazines, other type of magazines, scholarly journals, websites and books. So these are the different types of the publications are there. Next. So self-publication is nothing but any type of publication in which author can bear the overhead charges. It means that so author can
10 minutes.
pay the money and they have to publish. That is self-publication.
20 minutes.
Literally, there are different types of the little letter to the editors publications are there, and newspaper publications. We don't want all these things. Let's skip. So these are also news, literary magazines, and scholar journals. This is most important for you if you want to publish your research or a semester or maybe review articles also. So that should be always having new findings and also ideas and discoveries. Next. Next. So what is publishable? So everybody they will tell about this project is good, we can publish like that. The papers that report original and significant findings that can be published, and papers that should be well organized and well written. Nowadays, so you know that you are an MTech student also. If you submit your thesis, that we're going to check in the online that is tools, that is Turnitin. They will check wherever you copied, how much you copied, wherever, how much, and which paper you copied, how much percentage of you copied. Everything comes in the that paper. Okay, so that is why you don't copy, and all the paper you should be right. So you with your work, and that should be in a well written manner. And the papers always they should be concise and complete. Okay, it should not be give off of the information. That should be concise, very informatively they have to write, and that should be complete. And as I told, plagiarism. So if you submit your report to the Turnitin, it will give the percentage of wherever you copied and how much copied, everything it will going to give. Next. So these are the ethical issues are there. So how much the ethical issues means how much copied or there may be repetitive ones are there. Author disputes. If I published with one person or one group, maybe in the future they may be quarrel, they may have dispute also. So in the 1996 to March 2004, there is a lot of that is ethical issues comes in the publications, like a conflict of interest. If they are not understanding the authors, that is also gives the ethical issues. And also plagiarism. If you copy the diagrams or the maybe informations, whatever it may be, that is also one type of the ethical issue. Data fabrications. You got one result and you are going to write in a different way. That is also fabrications. Human welfare concern, duplicate publications. You can publish one paper in two journals. That is a duplication publications. There you are going to find out very easily in the nowadays, because if you type your name, it will come in the Google. So author disputes, animal welfare concerns, and repetitive publications. Next. So who are the authors? That is most important. So everybody, I should be become a first author, right? Everybody they have like a they will going to feel that I should be the first author, right? So who can be authors? First of all, who can be author for the one paper? So the contributors for the papers, especially for the conception and designing, the idea of the research, they can be one of the author. And acquisition of the data. If suppose your guide will be going to give a concept and idea, he can be become one of the author, and you will going to work on that, that is especially student, they will also going to become one of the author. And analyzing and interpreting, after getting the data, again you will going to go to the your respective guide and analyze and interpretation of the data, they can be also, if your guide or maybe your mentor is not knowing too much, he can consult to the others and they will also become a guide. So one aspect. And drafting the article, writing the article, if you get data, concept, everything, once if you have a data, writing skill is also more important here. So who can be write the article, he can be also become a one of the author, or revising the paper critically, so he can also become a one of the author. So final approval, if written the manuscript very well, so if one professor is there, he knows everything, that he can approve the paper, so he can also become a one of the author. So any one of these contributions, okay, so they can become a authors to the papers. Next. So you can see that this is a nature paper. This is the one example. You can see how many authors are there. Right? See how many authors are there. So each authors, they should or they have a contribution to the papers. Okay. So this is one type. Next. So the structure of the paper, what the paper should be having. Okay. The title should be very concise, crispy, and conveying detailed information. Like a movie name. Okay. So how they put the movie name, it's going to give all the information about the 2.5 hours the movie, right? So title also like that, you should be conveyed and you should be tell what are the informations or what are the work you have done, what are the results also you got from the work. So the title should be crispy and concise. And next, author list, who are the authors, they are contributed to your paper. And affiliations means wherever the work has been done, that is one college or two or more different college affiliations. Abstract, that is the brief outcome of the present investigations. Okay, so you got result that you have to present in a 200 words, or there may be more than that also. Some journals they will tell 200 or 150 words. You have to give the brief introduction, brief information on your paper. That is abstract. Next, keywords. Introduction, materials and methods, results and discussion, acknowledgement, conflict of interest, author contributions, funding, if you have a funds like a KSHD or something like that, and references. Writing references is also one of the art. So every journals they have a different types of the reference quotes. You have to check it, whichever the journal you want to communicate. Next. So there are different types of the journals are there. That is original research, that is common type of journal publications, so that is always you have to publish in a peer-reviewed or referred journals. So here nothing but referred journal means if you publish, you submitted your paper, that will go to the 4 or 5 members of the referred scientist, and they will go to evaluate your work. So if they are happy with your work, then they are going to accept your paper with a minor or major corrections. Next, short reports are there, that is short communications, review articles are there, case studies are there, also is there, methodologies or methods. If you find any new methods also, you can find or you can publish that also. Next. So this is one my publication, my 100 publications, that is in collaboration with Mexico. So you can see the article. This is the one of the article, not any different type, review article or something like that. This is the original research paper. Next. So you can see the short communications. If you find new things, okay, if you are aware about this is totally different from the existing result, immediately you can publish in a short communications, because you may face a lot of fear, because somebody store in your data, so they can publish very early. So based on that, if you got a very good result, you can publish in a short communication. Next. So you can publish review articles based on your what are the topic you have chosen, So based on that, you can write review article. So total from the 10 years or maybe 20 years, taking all the data, you can put it in a one paper, and that should give all the information about the related to